Hi, this is Kevin from Advanced Management, and today we'll take a look at Outlook on the web. So from your computer, you simply launch Microsoft Edge, and your home page is the portal. Once you're in the Office portal, come down and choose Outlook. Once you're in Outlook, it should look familiar if you've ever seen the desktop version, but this is everything in a browser. We don't have the desktop on this machine. So if I want to create a new message, I just come up and create new. And I can start typing the recipients here, and Outlook will autofill who they think it is. Naturally, if I keep typing another one, I'll get more and more. But if I want to select multiple people in the organization, I can click 2. And from here, I can choose our default global address list to see everyone in the company as well as groups. So I can click on these and add them. If I determine that I don't want to send to someone, just come back and remove them by clicking the X. When you've finished, hit save and you're back. Here's enter the subject. Please send the test spreadsheet to me. And we'll send that on its merry way. Once that comes back, now I can read the message in my preview area. I can reply to the person that sent it, reply to everyone on the message, forward it. There's more dots. Anytime you see the dots, just click the little dots and you'll see exactly what you can do with it. So in this instance, we'll just reply all in case there were more recipients on here. Here it is. I want you to notice that down here on the attachments, we don't want to use any of these except browse this computer. And from this perspective, we can actually go and get the file and it will physically attach it. The other way, clicking the X deletes it, the other way is to go to your folder, find the document you wish to attach, and drag it back into that window. It'll also attach it that way. Now our message is sent and the file is received. So from this perspective, if we try to open it, we can see it in a viewing thing because again, we don't have Office on this computer, but we can view what it is. If we want to save it to our OneDrive, we can save that immediately from there. And back on our Office homepage, we go to OneDrive and Outlook has created an attachments folder. Inside that is our test file. We can click on it and now we're using Excel in the browser. Back in our Mail app, if we want to delete all these guys, we can delete them. And then they show up in our deleted items. You right-click it, empty the folder, prompt for the confirmation. Say you didn't want to delete that file. You have 30 days to go back and restore the messages. Notice when I chose restore, it'll put it right back in the inbox. You can delete it again. From this perspective, everything works very similarly to Outlook Desktop, meaning that if I want to create a subfolder under my inbox, I can make it here. And let's go back and recover that deleted item one more time. If I decide I needed to save it, I just drag it over to my subfolder, and there it is. When you're finished, you can sign out, or you can just simply close it because it's your computer. Enjoy Outlook Online.